In this video, we will present a demo integrating Infor M3 and Ephesoft. In this case, we will show how a supplier's invoice is automatically scanned by Ephesoft IDM and synced with Infor ERP system, which is Infor M3 for payment. You will see that all the data in the invoice are captured, checked with the original order and sent to payment. It's a safe and time-saving process. Using this automation process, companies will perform better once their employees will not need to lose time working manually with papers. So let's see how it works. Having the invoice scanned, we open our Ephesoft platform, we go to Upload Batch, we set up here Batch class, which is M3 supplier invoice, and now we select our document, or we can also drag and drop it here, and we go Start Batch. Now we go to Batch Instance Management, and we will see our invoice here. It may take a few seconds and we can refresh the page. Having the document here, it is important to check if the box on the right hand side is completely 100% when it turns completely green. Then we click on the invoice to check if everything is okay. Here we will see our original invoice and the fields captured by Ephesoft. They are highlighted in yellow to facilitate visualization. In case of anything wrong, any fields missing, we can set up it manually like we just did. And then we can check the fields like the amount, the currency, due date, purchase order, and other fields. Now we go to table to check the other fields like the quantity, unit price. For example, we can change the quantity here which was not correctly, unit price, amount, item number, purchase order number, which is missing, we can also set it manually, and other fields. Having everything okay, we just validate our invoice. Now we go to our Infor M3 platform. To see the invoice that we just uploaded, we click on the document management, and here we click supplier invoice, create date, after or equal, and we select the date that we uploaded the document and search. The last document will be our invoice. And we display, and here we can see our document. Alright, so now let's see our invoice integrated to our order in Infor system. We go to Infor M3, and here we select supplier invoice batch. Here we can see a list of invoices, and the last one is the document that we just uploaded. Here we can see the supplier invoice number, if there are any errors, if the invoice can be proceeded, if it's updated in APL, and in case of any error like this one, for example, it will show which type of error. In this case, the error is because the supplier was not entered in the invoice, so it should be corrected. In our case, the invoice is perfect, it matches all the fields, and then it can be directly proceeded to payment. Also, we can check here the other lines, for example, the purchase order number, the amount, the item number, just to make sure that everything is okay. Having sure that all the fields are matching, we can proceed to payment with no problems, so it's easy and fast. This process can be very helpful for many types of business because it saves time and work and empowers teams to perform efficiently. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video!